Namaste everyone. Welcome to ICM. In this video, we will see the meaning of chapter 8. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha Atha Ashtamodhyayaha Akshara Brahma Yogaha Arjuna Uvacha किं तत् ब्रह्म किमध्यात्मं किं कर्म पुरुषोत्तम अधिभूतं च किं प्रोक्तम् अधिदैवं किमुच्यते. Arjuna is inquired, O Lord, please explain to me what is Brahman and what is the self? What are fruitive activities and what is the material manifestation? अधियज्ञः कथं कोत्र देहेऽस्मिन् मधुसूदन प्रयाणकाले च कथं ज्ञेयोऽसि नियतात्मभिः. Arjuna is still asking, who is the Lord of sacrifice and how is he situated in the body and how can those engaged in faithful service to you know you at the time of death? श्रीभगवानुवाच अक्षरं ब्रह्म परमं स्वभावोऽध्यात्ममुच्यते भूतभावोद्भवकरः विसर्गः कर्म संज्ञितम्. Lord Krishna said, Brahman is the supreme, indestructible, living entity, the material nature of which is called the self, that is Adhyatma. The action which brings about the birth and the development of material bodies is called karma or the fruitive activities. अन्तकाले च मामेव स्मरन्मुक्त्वा कलेवरं यः प्रयाति समद्भावं याति नास्त्यत्र संशयः. At the time of death, whoever relinquishes his body, remembering me alone without doubt attains me. ययौ वापि स्मरन् भावं त्यजत्यन्ते कलेवरं तन्तमेवैति कौन्तेय सदा सद्भावभावितः. O son of Kunti, whatever state of being one remembers at the time of death, he will attain that state, being absorbed in its thought. तस्मात् सर्वेषु कालेषु मामनुस्मरयुध्य च मय्यर्पितमनो बुद्धिः मामे वैश्यस्य संशयम्. Therefore, remember me at all times and do your duty with your mind and intellect fixed on me. You shall come to me without doubt. अभ्यासयोगयुक्तेन चेतसा नान्यगामिना परमं पुरुषं दिव्यं याति पार्थानुचिन्तयन्. O Arjuna, a person who is engaged in devotion to me and whose thoughts are constantly fixed on me attains me. कविं पुराणमनुशासितारम् अनोरणीयां समनुस्मरेद्यः सर्वस्य धातारमचिन्त्य रूपम् आदित्यवर्णं तमसः परस्तात्. One should understand the super soul as the knower of everything, who is smallest, the sustainer of everything, and the inconceivable form and effulgent like the sun, who is beyond material nature. प्रयाणकाले मनसाचलेन भक्त्या युक्तो योगबलेन चैव भ्रुवोर्मध्ये प्राणमावेश्य सम्यक् सतं परं पुरुषमुपैति दिव्यम्. One who, at the time of death, through the power of yoga, fixes his life here between the eyebrows and with an undeviating mind remembers the Supreme Lord will certainly attain him.